The Thermo Fisher Scientific sv100-100-123-000-00 is a member of the Smartview sv100 family of event recorders. This particular recorder came to us from a pipeline and was used to monitor the flow of the oil through the pipeline. The LCD screen had died, which made this unit inoperable. We found a replacement screen for this monitor, and as shown in the video, we were able to get the system to fully boot up and allow us to scroll through all the menus and screens. ERD has repaired monitoring equipment for years, from digital units such as this to the old pen and circular paper Honeywell chart recorders. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.